So, pretty door, right? Spring has sprung in Atlanta, and I am here at this gorgeous house to tell you about it. It's coming to market soon, and we're doing a huge open house this Sunday from 12 to 2. This is a great home. It's 3 bedrooms, it's 2 baths, and it is stepless. And we get inquiries all the time when we talk to people in our database. We have over 30,000 buyers in our database, and probably a good 10% of them are looking for homes with very little stairs or no stairs. A lot of times they're looking for homes that are not necessarily huge, easy maintenance, and this is it. Like I said, this home has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's completely stepless. It's stepless to get in, it's stepless to get out. Stepless out the back, stepless in the front. And so I think you're really gonna love it. But what's nice about it, it's not a huge home, but it's a good size, but it's got very, very great high ceilings that bring in a ton of light. Oh, this is such a pretty home. Now, the story behind this seller. Well, I sold this home to this seller maybe about 3 years ago. And I think she thought she'd be settled, but she fell in love. And so we're selling this home. Okay, so 12 to 2, I'll put all the information here on Sunday. Now, if you're a VIP buyer, you already have this home in your mailbox. And if you aren't a VIP buyer, why not? Why aren't you on my VIP buyer list? Like, what are you waiting for? But we always promote our homes for our VIP buyers first before we bring them to the public, before we put them on Zillow and Redfin and Realtor and everything. We always promote them first to our database of VIP buyers. So if you aren't on the list, call me, text me, DM me, email me so that you can get on the list. Okay? Okay, I'm Erica Page with Luxury Living International. Our brokerage is Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Been in this business for over 20 years. Absolutely love every single thing that we do for our clients, and I'm looking forward to doing it for you too. Take care.